Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change Snapchat to dark mode. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom right corner, we have the spotlight where you can check out some videos. We have the stories of your friends. We have the camera in the very middle of the screen. And in the top left corner, we have your location and we also have your chats. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change Snapchat to dark mode. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps that I'll be now showing you. First of all, you need to go and open Snapchat on your iPhone or Android and tap your avatar in the top left corner. Your avatar will be in any screen that you are. Then when you did that, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. And after you have typed the icon in the top right corner, scroll down and tap App Appearance. After tapping the App Appearance, tap Always Dark to enable dark mode on Snapchat. And after that, you are all set. This will keep your account on dark mode unless you go back into the settings and change it again to the light mode option. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.